Let us learn English of Standard 5th, and name of the poem is The Man in the Moon. Yes, dear children, the meaning of this title, The Man in the Moon. You can see the picture here. Yes, the man in the moon. We will go through this poem first. See, dear children, this is a page from your textbook. Page number is 62. Here we can see 8 lines in the poem. Okay, and 4 lines makes first stanza and rest 4 lines makes second stanza. Yes, here we can see the different pictures. These are called constellations. And here moon, you can see a man is on the moon. Okay, he is sailing in the sky, isn't it? Here we can see so many stars, right? Okay, we will go through this poem first. Then we will go through the detailed meaning of this poem. Okay, the man in the moon. The man in the moon, as he sails the sky, is a very remarkable skipper. But he made a mistake when he tried to take a drink of milk from the dipper. He dipped right out to the Milky Way and slowly and carefully filled it. The big bear growled and the little bear howled and frightened him so that he spilled it. Yes, dear children, here this is very small story. Okay, we can say this is an imaginary story, isn't it? But here it is said that the man is in the moon. Okay, we will go through this poem once again. The man in the moon, as he sails the sky, is a very remarkable skipper. But he made a mistake when he tried to take a drink of milk from the dipper. He dipped right out of the Milky Way and slowly and carefully filled it. The big bear growled and the little bear howled and frightened him so that he spilled it. Yes. Okay. Now here we can see some rhyming words. You know the meaning of rhyming words. Rhyming words are those words which sound similar, isn't it? See here, the man in the moon, as he sails the sky, is a very remarkable skipper. Skipper. Yes, this rhymes with dipper, isn't it? See this, skipper. It rhymes with dipper, right? Okay, one more is there. Here you can see the big bear growled and the little bear howled. Yes, growled rhymes with howled, isn't it? Yes, we got 2 pairs of rhyming words. And this poem has some hard words, new words. Okay, we will underline them first. See, this is a remarkable. Remarkable means unusual or surprising in a way that causes people to take notice. You can say unusual. Okay. And the skipper. This is also a hard word. Skipper means captain of a ship or boat. Okay. And the next thing is here Milky Way. Milky Way, I will show you the picture. That is the band of light. Okay. Consisting of stars that spread across the sky at night. We will go through the picture of Milky Way later. Now we will go through the poem line wise. The man in the moon. The man in the moon, as he sails the sky, you can see here the man inside the moon. He's sailing in the sky. He's sitting on the moon and he's sailing in the sky. Isn't it? He's a very remarkable skipper. You know the meaning of skipper. Skipper means what we said, the captain of the ship or boat. How he is sailing, how the boat sails on the sea, on the water. Like that, the man in the moon is sailing in the sky. The man in the moon is sailing in the sky like a remarkable, unusual skipper. Here the poet is very imaginative, okay, and makes up his own story about the man in the moon. He says that the man in the moon is a very unusual captain for his boat. His boat means a moon, okay, which he sails in the sky. Next two lines. But he made a mistake when he tried to take what he took. He made a mistake when he tried to take a drink of milk from the dipper. Yes, dear children, here the poet says, the man in the moon, he made a mistake when he tries to take a drink of milk from the dipper. See, this is a milk glass and this is a dipper, okay, which helps us to take out the things, that is called dipper, okay. He made the mistake here. Next two lines. He dipped right out of the Milky Way. See, this is a Milky Way. Got this? What is the meaning of Milky Way? The band of light consisting of stars that spreads across the sky at night. See, this is Milky Way. We can see this in our universe. Okay? He dipped right out of the Milky Way and slowly and carefully filled it. Here also we can see the imagination of the poet. What? The Milky Way. This is the, what is this? This is a band of light. But here he imagines milky. Here milk. He takes that one as milk. Here what the poet says, slowly and carefully he filled the milk from this Milky Way in the glass by using dipper. Okay. See here, he used a dipper and he filled the glass and he took the milk from the Milky Way. Again imagination, isn't it? Here, next lines. The big bear growled and the little bear howled and frightened him so that he spilled it. Yes, dear children, here the big growl. The big bear growled and the little bear howled. Here these have two different meanings. Okay. See here, this is a big bear and this is the little bear. The sound of them it is called as growling and howling. Okay. Here what the poet says, the big bear growled and the little bear howled. This frightened the man so much that he spilt the milk. He had filled the milk from the Milky Way by using the dipper, isn't it? And he frightened because of the big bear and the little bear sound and he spilled the milk. Here dipper has two meanings. The first meaning is the dipper means a container for taking out water. We saw that one. Correct? And the another meaning is there are two constellations called Little Bear or Little Dipper and the Big Dipper or Big Bear in the sky. Okay? About that also he said. And this is all about this poem. This poem is totally imaginative. What he said, there is a moon in the, there is, what the poet says that there is a man in the moon He sails in the sky like a remarkable skipper, and he fills the milk from the Milky Way by using dipper, and he spills the milk because he frightened from the sound of Big Bear and the Little Bear. Isn't it? Everything is imaginative here. This is all about the poem The Man in the Moon. Okay? Now, dear children, we will go through some hard words. This is constellation. See this? This is a big bear. Got this? Two types of constellations we can see. The big bear or the big dipper and the small bear or little bear or little dipper. Okay? You will study about this in science. Also, you will study about this in geography. Skipper. The meaning of skipper is a remarkable skipper. A skipper means a captain. Captain of the ship or boat is called as skipper. Okay. Milky Way. See, this is a Milky Way. The meaning is the band of light consisting of stars that spreads across the sky at night. Got this? Read the following and say whether the statements tell you about facts or whether they are imaginary. Yes, you know the meaning of imaginary. Imaginary means kalpanik. We can think anything, isn't it? The man will be there in the moon, the man will be there in the star, and our mother, earth, correct? Like that. Means whatever we can think, we can imagine anything. Here some statements are given that you have to tell, are they imaginary or are they real facts? Real fact means real things that they exist. Okay? Yes, we will go through the questions. First one, there is a man in the moon. The Milky Way contains milk. The big bear in the sky can growl. Okay? Now we will think on this and we will classify the statement under the headings of imaginary and the facts. Okay? Okay, first one, there is a man in the moon. Do you think there is a man in the moon? Yes, no. This is imaginary. Moon is our natural satellite, isn't it? We know that. Moon is our natural satellite. So, there is no man in the moon. Okay. The Milky Way contains milk. This is also wrong because we know the meaning of Milky Way. Milky Way is nothing but the band of light consisting of stars that spreads across the sky at night, isn't it? So, this is also imaginary. Next, the big bear in the sky can growl. Yes. Can you think there is a big bear in the sky? No. This is again imaginary, isn't it? There is a big bear named Constellation in the sky, isn't it? Next one. The moon sails across the sky. You can fill the dipper in the sky with milk. There are a number of stars in the sky. Okay, we will go through the first one. The moon sails across the sky. Yes, this is a fact, right? Next, you can fill the dipper in the sky with milk. Again, this is imaginary, isn't it? Next, there are a number of stars in the sky. Yes, this we know. There are so many stars, uncountable stars in the sky. Right? We will move to next. Write the answers to the following questions. Yes, some questions are there. We will try to write the answer. First one. What mistake did the man in the moon make? He made one mistake. You know that. Okay? We will write them in words. The mistake that the man in the moon made was that he tried to take a drink of milk from the dipper. Right? This is the main mistake he made in the sky. Okay? Next, what did he try to take the milk from? Yes, from him, where he tried to take the milk. You know that he tried to take the milk from Milky Way. Next, why did he spill the milk? Yes, what happened to him that he spilled the milk? The big bear growled and the little bear howled. This frightened the man in the moon so much that he spilled the milk. Correct? Try to write the answers in full sentences. Okay? Write the rhyming words from the poem. You know there are two pairs of rhyming words. Yes? Come on, recall. Open your notebook, open your textbook, page number 62. Come on, tell me which are the two pairs of rhyming words. Yes, correct. Skipper rhymes with dipper. And growled rhymes with howled. Isn't it? Thank you, dear children. This is a very small poem of only 8 lines and it has simple meaning. The poem is totally imaginary, isn't it? And try to imagine about something and try to write the poem like this. Okay? Go through this poem and learn to by heart.
thank you very much for being a part of this lesson. Please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon to get new updated videos.